How to set up a Windows 11 without Microsoft account. Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video, we'll be showing you how to skip a Microsoft account and set up Windows 11 using a local offline account instead. So this way you'll be able to first set up your Windows very easily and efficiently without doing any tricks but just choosing the right option during the first and initial setup. So once you arrive at the moment during the first setup, options that you have to choose is set up for school or work. Then on the next page, you have to click on sign in option instead of giving the Microsoft account. This way you will land to another page from where you have to select domain join instead of face, fingerprint or pin security. Next page you will have to give your name and then you can now click on next button until you finish the setup. This way you have successfully set up the local account without using Microsoft account. This is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.